Ready?
Wait lang. Testing ko lang to.
Uy, wag.
Ready, set.
Let it. I got the starting. Sisami.
Bro, activated the invisible dash. You all know this will win. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it. Mid-air! Nakita mo yun? Ganto, gumanto. Boom! Mid-air! Okay. Na. Okay. So guys, ito ang Beyblade namin. 3, 2, 1, let it. Para fair naman, may round. Kunyari, na last to, round 2. Kunyari, ito. Ay. Who will win? Round 2. 3, 2, 1, let it.
Uy, ilang.
Sige.
Bakit nangyari?
Bakit?
Kasi nawala yung spin niya ko.
Hindi, malakas yan. Ano na?
Baka lang ang lakas niya. Hindi ko alam kung nag-launch.
Hindi, left yan. Naka-left kasi. Patong mo dito. Ayan. Parang ganito. Ang sakit lang dito.
Dito wala. Bro, what?
Kasi left mo, parang ganyan, oh. Parang ganun, oh. Hindi, wag mo. Left spin yan, sabi ko, ganyan. Yan, tapos ipatong mo para ano. Ito, wala dito.
Keito Diaz.
Wait lang. Tignan natin kung sino mananalo.
Of course dito. Kasi, left spin yan.
Hindi natin alam kasi ito, tinalo niya ito ilang beses na. Wait lang.
Kung nasa right spin, natin. Burst.
Okay. The legendary fight will win. 3, 2, 1, let it.
Saan ang video?
Yung mukha natin. Okay. Wait lang. Okay. Okay, wait lang. Punta. Muna.
Both.
Ano? Tikit ka.
Bilang. Hindi, by color.
Hindi. Kung pinakamalakas, medyo malakas. Ito, pinakamahina. Okay. Tingnan mo, ang lakas, oh.
Okay, alam ko na. Kasi dati, alam ko.
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo, ang lakas. Wait lang, isa pa. Ang lakas, diba? Okay. 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 3, 2, 1, let it. Retry. Mas malakas yung spin na ito eh. Pero, same sila ng speed kapag, oo. Tama. Calculation ka. Okay.
Boy, kisahin mo nangyari sa Super Glue. Naging white.
3, 2, 1, let it rip!
Yo!
Sapa.
Hold on, wait a second.
Wait a second.
Hold on, wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Okay.
3,
3, 2,
2,
1,
1,
let it rip!
Yo!
Yo!
You saw that, you saw that, you saw that.
You saw that, bro?
Bro just said, boy. Mamaya. Wally. Oh, this guy will lose.
Sheesh! Nakita mo yun? Alright.
Hinawakan ko lang.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, let it.
Wait lang. Hindi pa. Aray ko. Sheesh. Ano dyan? 3, 2, 1.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, hit. Oh, hell no, man. Oh, hell no, man.
Isa pa. Para fair. Sige, palit nga tayo, launcher. Go. 3,
2, 1,
1.
let it.
Rip!
Uy, nahulog.
3.
2, 1, let it.
Ay, wait lang. Style. 3, 2, 1, let it rip!
Ah, sige. Wala. Hindi
yan.
Hindi sapat sa akin.
Oo nga, no?
3, 2, 1.
Let it rip!
Same speed.
Say. Round 1 yan, guys, ha?
Oh, no. This guy will lose.
Hindi, round 1 pa lang yan.
Round 1. Round 2.
2. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Let it. Hold on. Wait a second.
Wait a second. Balik tayo, baby. Para mas malakas. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ready?
Hit.
Okay. 2-0. Ay. Okay. Wala yan. Okay. The finals. 3, 2, 1. Ready?
Come on, man.
Round 1 yan.
Bro, this guy will lose, man.
Okay. Okay. Guys, sa round 2. So guys, change mode natin, guys. Para fair. Alam mo na kung anong ginagawa ko.
Oh no, not speed. It's about the power. We stay hungry, we get
The
that.
Godspeed. Hindi, okay lang yun. Umuulan. Okay.
Nagmamiho ka ako kahapon eh.
Weh.
Oh,
Okay,
wala
tara.
pa rin. Wala pa rin.
3. The Flying Source. 3, 2, 1, let it rip!
Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo, yo!
Yo! Oh!
Huli ka na, take a beating.
Okay. Winner this nigger. Back to normal. Nigger. Jack lang.
All of these got beaten.
By this nigger.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.